Kanya Mahavidyalaya, Jalandhar is an iconic institution with a glorious heritage of 136 years, an impeccable present with the prominence and prestige surpassed by none other. It is a brand name in education with national and international recognitions. The only heritage autonomous institution of women education in the region, it is a college meeting the best and most progressive standards, nurturing enlightened global citizens with professional capacities. Ranked number 1 in the state and among top 10 colleges nationally by reputed India Today, Outlook magazine and Times of India survey of colleges and universities of India for 3 consecutive years, the college has made huge strides in introducing new initiatives and reforms to meet the requirements of the coming decades of the 21st century. Advantages of an autonomous institution are multiple. Autonomy has facilitated upgradation of the syllabi with global standards and introduction of interdisciplinary programs, internships, project-based learning, professional training, and most advanced standards in teaching learning process with state-of-the-art infrastructure and technology. Value-added programs for holistic personality development and life skills in each semester with no additional charges and wide range of developmental programs on the campus add to the enriched learning experience and opportunities provided only at KMV. Semester 1 Foundation Course, Semester 2 Moral Education, Semester 3 Personality Development, Gender Sensitization, Semester 4 Social Outreach, Semester 5 Innovation, Entrepreneurship and Venture Development, Job Readiness Program. A wide range of additional developmental programs like School of Personality Development, School of Competitive Exams, School of Communications, IELTS classes, foreign languages taught by foreign teachers, yoga training add to make our students fully trained, evolved, and empowered, ready to face the world with confidence and courage. This is a leading center of new age skill development, job-oriented programs. Honors programs introduced in commerce, English, maths, and physics are of high academic value internationally. Examination reforms and internal assessment introduced at KMV are advantageous and conducive for young scholars. Internationally accepted credit system in skill development courses has been introduced. A sprawling 32 acres beautiful green campus houses state-of-the-art infrastructure with high-tech laboratories, seminar halls, student facilities, and safe, spacious, and airy classrooms. Erudite, permanent, and highly qualified dedicated faculty provides personal care and mentoring to each student. Job skills training programs and job placement records with top companies is facilitating students to get plush positions in industry. With 45 industry collaborations and tie-ups, education at KMV empowers students for employment skills, resulting in 100% placements in skill-oriented programs. KMV excels in the usage of technology and e-based education for the benefit of the students. KMV successfully introduced teaching learning management system for unhampered continuation of the classes through online modules, assignments, and lectures during the lockdown period. International collaborations and exchange programs are continuously providing global exposure to students with best foreign university teachers, teaching students and collaborating to introduce new programs in the college. Recent internship scholarships awarded by Hungarian state government to 4 students and 1 faculty member add to the international training and experience of our students. International collaborations with US, European, and Canadian universities offer exchange programs and varied opportunities to KMV students. May it be the extracurricular, sports, or entrepreneurship grooming activities, KMV nurtures confident, well-groomed young women ready to face the challenges of life with faith and trust in themselves. Soft skills development is an essential part of education at KMV, with well-structured and graded programs offered only here. Safe and secure on-campus boarding house with a 110 years old impeccable reputation is home to students of 11 states of India with modern facilities, hygiene, healthy food, coaching facilities, and training for boarders. A college with a rare distinction where 5 presidents and 5 prime ministers of India have visited, appears today in the highest echelons of academic repute and name. KMV produces young women who will be the future leaders. Join a journey of excellence. Look no further. Be the best with the best.